Hello. In this video, I am going to show you a demo of social networking site developed in Laravel and MySQL. Some features are developed in Node.js and Socket.io too. The front end is developed in Bootstrap template called Serenity. I will start with the basic features. It has login authentication system. First, I am going to do a simple registration. After registration, it will send an email to verify the email address. I won't be able to log in if my email is not verified. After email verification, I will automatically be logged in, and a welcome email will be sent as well. In this email, you can give an overview of your website or promote your products. Now I will be able to log in easily because now my email address is verified. So the authentication works. Another basic feature is a profile update. I can update my cover photo, profile photo, and I can edit all my personal information too. So these were the basic features that you see in almost all websites. The most important feature of a social network is post. People post on their wall, in pages or in groups, and they share posts, and that's what keeps the social network alive. You can give caption to your post, attach video and picture to your post, and publish it. These edit and delete buttons will only be displayed to the person who created it. You can edit the post, delete the picture, and upload a new one. And if you do not want that post to show in your friend's wall, you can simply delete it. So the post works. Now I'm going to show you a post like feature. You can like a post and the button will be highlighted so you can know which post you have already liked. Also, a number on the left incremented. When you unlike it, it will be decremented without having to refresh the page. Now we discuss comments. You can write a comment to a post and you can give a reply to any comment. And the other person will receive a notification that someone has replied on his comment or someone has given a comment to your post. You can directly reach the person's profile who replied to your comment, and you can also reach the comment. You can reach the post too. On home page, you will see a number of unread notifications. You can mark the notifications as read and they will be decremented until it reaches 0. You can share anyone's post on your wall. Simply add a caption to it and share. This is how the shared post will be displayed. Your caption will be on top and the post will be embedded inside it, and anyone can like, comment, or share it too. You can also search the post by their caption, and from there you can directly reach the post detail page. And you will also receive a notification when someone liked your post. Now I'm going to discuss a friends feature. Social network is all about friends. So I'm going to create a second account in a different browser. Verify its account. Right now I do not have any friends, so I'm going to make one. I will search for the person by his name, username, or email and send him a friend request. If you have already sent him a friend request, then you won't be able to see this button again, and the other person will receive a friend request. He has the option to decline or accept the friend request. The other person will not be able to see your post on his wall until you accept his friend request. First, I am going to decline it. Now he will have the option to send friend request again. And this time I am going to accept this. Now the other person will be able to see your post because you two are friends now. And now I will see him in my friend list too. And from here you can unfriend a user as well. Once unfriended, he will not be able to contact you. He will no longer see your post as well. So the friend works. Now we will come to another important feature required for social network, that is chat. So let's be friends again. In chat page you will see all your friends on left side and all the chat messages on the right. I'm going to split the screen because the chat will be real time. Here I have used Node.js and Socket.io for real time communication. I can write text in a message, but I can also attach an image or a video. The other person will receive a notification that a new message has been received. So both chats are open. You will see the message will automatically be displayed on the receiver side. He does not have to refresh the page. And when the chat is not opened on the other person, then he will receive a notification on bottom left. And you can view the chat history anytime you want. So the chat works. Now we will discuss pages. Pages are created to promote business. If you have multiple things to promote, you can create multiple pages for each business. You can set the name or title of the page, and you must set the cover photo of the page. Once page is created, you will see that in your list. On clicking view, you will be redirected to the detail page where you can and only you can create the post because you created this page. And the post of this page will only be visible to the people who has liked this page. So I'm going to like this page. I can search the page by its name, view it, and like it. Now I will see its post on my wall. And I can view the page from its post. And the owner of the page can edit the page. He can change name and cover photo of the page. So it has been updated and I can delete the page and all its posts will be deleted too. You will no longer see its post on your wall. So the pages works. Now we will come to the groups part. You can create as many groups as you want. Set the name of the group, the cover photo, and you set the group as public or private. If the group is private, then only the members of that group will be able to view the post. Public group posts are visible to everyone. So the group is created. Now I'm going to search that group within my other account. I cannot see the post because it is private. So as an owner, I can create a post in that group. And I can see it because I am the admin of this group. But the other person cannot see it. If I set the group as public, then the other person can see it. But let me set it to private so only members can see the post. To become a member, he has to click the join button. Then the admin can see a list of all the pending requests on the left side. He can accept or block the person. First, I am going to block it. Now he will appear on the blocked member section. And now I am going to accept him. Then he will be displayed on right side in member section. And only now the other person can see the post because now he is a member of that group. And also he can create a post as well because in groups all the members can post for discussion. and he will also see the group post on his wall as well. Admin can still block or remove the member from group. I have already gave the demo of block function, so now I am going to remove this member. He will no longer see its post on his wall. I have already gave a demo of notification feature, so I am going to show the tickets feature. Tickets are like customer support. If I got any error or facing any problem, then I can contact customer support by opening a ticket, create a ticket, set the title, explain the problem in description, upload an attachment like a screenshot of error, and create. I can see all my created tickets here. On view, I can see the detail of ticket, all the responses on this ticket, and I can write my own response here. Now I'm going to log in as an admin on another browser because admin can view the tickets and respond them. He will receive a notification for new ticket. I'm going to mark this as read. On clicking ticket, I will be redirected to the admin area, and in that tickets detail page, I can see the problem in description, the user who is having the problem, and I can respond to the user. The user can see his response here. The admin who has responded and can respond back. This is the WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get editor. So you can explain your problem in paragraphs, make the text bold, italic, and a lot more type of HTML formatting. And the admin will see that in HTML format too. And once the problem is solved, admin can change the status of ticket from open to closed. So the ticket works, and since I am already inside the admin panel, so let me show you the functions admin can perform. He can view a list of all tickets and respond to them. He can view all the posts and can ban posts. Just enter the reason to ban, and now it will no longer be displayed to the users. A notification will be sent to the user of that post, and on post detail page he will see the reason why it is banned. He can then contact customer support for any clarification, or he can simply remove it. And the admin will unban the post and it will be visible again. Similarly, admin can ban pages, he can ban groups. Just enter the reason. Group post will no longer be displayed. A notification will be sent to the group admin and he will see the reason why it was banned. Admin can ban the user as well from using the social network. Once the user is banned, then he will automatically be logged out and will no longer be able to log in again. After admin has unbanned him, then he can log in again. So that's how admin panel works. Now I will show you a feature where you can see a list of people who has viewed your profile. I'm going to log in as a user. And see a user's profile. The other person can go to his profile page and see a list of all users who had viewed his profile along with the time last viewed. And if the other person viewed my profile, then I can see that as well, that he has viewed my profile. Also, I can view a list of all users who has liked my post. So these are the features of a social network in the first version. If you want to download its source code, you can download it from here. If you face any problem in running the code or having difficulty in understanding a part of code, then please do let me know.